This is my Arrma Granite, and yes, it is in pieces right now, but despite how bad it looks, this is in fact one of my most durable and reliable RCs. It does have a stripped pinion gear, and the tires are shredded, and one of the control arms is broken, but to get here, my trusty Arrma Granite had to go through hell, and that is exactly what I put it through.
Yeah, this is so fun, dude. Dude, I love ramping it. Oh, that thing went over my head, man. I keep thinking I'm breaking it, dude. It just takes it. All right, it's broken now. Oh, the slipper clutch came loose again, and my control arm broke. Junk, send it to the junkyard.
No, I don't actually think the Arrma Granite is junk, considering this thing can go over 50 miles an hour and is built to withstand being thrown at a porta potty. I'd say this is a great truck for new and experienced RC enthusiasts alike. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go actually repair this thing so I can continue to find new things to bash my Granite into. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more Junky content soon.